Hi everybody, we're going to teach you and help you how to read by using the phonics that you've already learnt. So, let's start with a few examples. Can you read this word? If you can't, I bet you can by using the phonics we've taught you. Let's start with the vowel in the middle of the word. So, usually when you see a single vowel by itself, 90% of the time it's a short vowel. So this sound is ah, ah. Then we're adding the SH. Does everyone remember what the sound for SH is? Shh, shh. So ah, shh, ah, shh. Everyone try with me now. Ash, ash. Now let's add the L on the other side. Oh, ash, lash, lash. And lastly, let's add the F. Everyone knows the sound for the F. So, flash, flash, ash, flash. Now let's move to the next word. Here. Does everyone know this word? If not, again, don't worry. Let's start with the vowel. Okay? O, O, O. The O in the middle. Now we're going to the next N sound again, which is the F. So what's the sound for F, everyone? What does that make? Everyone should know this word. Off. Everyone do it with me. Off. Now, let's add the last N sound. What's the sound for T, everyone? T. 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 Okay? So, off. T. Everyone try with me. Oft. Oft. Don't forget to get that T sound up. Now, let's go to the first sound of the word, which is the S. Okay? Everyone remembers the sound for S? S. So, oft, soft. Oft, soft. Okay, let's move to the next word. Right, does everyone know this word or not? Don't worry. So, let's go to the vowel. Again, in the middle of the word, O. O. Then when you have a CK at the end of the word like that, it's only making one sound. So what's the sound for C and K, which is the same sound? K. So let's add the O and the K together. Ok. Ok. Everyone trying? Ok. Now let's go and add the L. Okay? So what's the sound for L? Oh, oh. So let's put the O and ok together. Lock. Everyone going to try with me? Lock. Okay? And let's move to the first letter. What's the sound for B is B. So let's put the B and lock together. Block. Everyone trying? Block. 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 Okay, that's enough of practicing with me now. Now it's your turn. I'm going to leave you some words to practice with, and if you have any difficulties, just drop me a note or get back to me, and I'll see you later.